Hello and welcome back to Excel for Beginners with Analytics. I still remain Stanley, and today I'm going to show you how to create a spreadsheet in Excel step by step. So imagine you need to organize your contacts, let's say your friends or your family or your colleagues in one place. By the end of this video, you will have a well-structured contact list that you can easily update and use whenever you need it. So grab your device, open Excel, and let's dive right in. So this is your blank workbook. If you don't have your blank workbook yet, all you need to do is go over to File, and then go to New, then you choose blank workbook. Okay, so when you choose blank workbook, you will be landed here. Okay, so before we start, let's first of all save our workbook. So we'll go back to the file menu. Because we are saving for the first time, we're going to use save as. Then we'll click on save as, and then we'll choose the location that we want to save it to, and then we'll choose a reasonable name. So let's say we want to create a contact list for our friends. Okay, so let's choose contact list, then we'll save. Okay, so as you can see now, when you go over to the top of your Excel, you'll see the name that you've chosen, contact list. Okay, so let's move forward. Okay, so now let's create a structure for our contact list for our friends. Okay, for this contact list, we want to gather the name, the phone number, and the email address. So these three things are going to be our column headers. Okay, so all we have to do is we have to go to where we want to put it. Let's say for this, I want to start here. So I put my cell here, and then I write the name. Now the next is the phone number, but watch what happens here. When you click on the enter key on your keyboard, it takes you down, but I don't want to go down to the row 2. I want it to be at column B. So instead of clicking the enter key, I click on the tab key. So the tab key takes me to the right, while the enter key takes me down. So know that. Okay, so let's continue. So I'm going to write phone number. Then I click on the tab key again, and then email address. Good. Okay, so notice here in column B, all the letters did not fit entirely inside the column, so we need to adjust it a little bit. Okay, so all you have to do is you go over to the letter, the column, and towards the border of the first column and the second column, you see something like an adjustable cross. So you have to hold and adjust it to how you want it to be. Okay, so that's that. You can either hold and adjust, or you double click it. Okay, so let's try for this one. You can see the email address here does not fit entirely inside the column, so I'll have to double click, and then automatically fits. Okay, so let's type in the name we want. Let's say John Doe. I'm just choosing a random name here. Name here again, James Smith. Okay, and let's see, Michael Brown. Okay, Michael Brown. And as you can see also, the names does not fit inside, so we're going to do what we did here, and then we'll hover over to the border between the two columns, and then we double click, and see the column is automatically fitted. You can do the same for row. You can see you can do the same for row, you can do the same for column. Okay, so let's move on to the phone number. Let me just type in random phone number. Yeah, just type in random phone number. Okay, good. Okay, so let's go over to the email address and write, okay, johndoe@gmail.com, johnsmith@gmail.com, brown@gmail.com. Okay, okay, this is looking good. So, the next thing we are going to do, okay, let's say I want to give these column headers a little bit of spark. I would like it to appear differently to be able to set up our structure, our spreadsheet very well. Okay, so let's give this a little bit of designing. So we highlight the column headers, and let's say I want to make it bold. I make it bold. Let's say I want to change the fonts of the column headers. Here you can choose among a whole lot of fonts. So I like this. And then let's say, let me give it a color. So I can give it this color, which is good. Okay, so let's still adjust here. And then let's adjust here. Okay, and there you have it. You have just created a simple contact list in Excel, perfect for organizing and storing your important and personal information. Okay, so if you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Analytics, and let me know in the comments if you would like to see more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next lesson.